SEO, or search engine optimization, is organizing and structuring your website for maximum search engine visibility. Good SEO gets you good placement in the SERPs, search engine result pages. In this video, we're going to break down the basic concepts and elements that make up everything a search engine is looking for on your site. The entire point of SEO is to attract visitors to your website via search engines. Those visitors are organic traffic. They have organically come across your website by using their own search terms and methods. You didn't direct them there, which is direct traffic. Neither did a different website, which is referral traffic. And they also didn't click a link on Facebook or Twitter, which is social traffic. SEO only affects organic traffic. Because they found your website via search engine, you will be able to dig deeper to determine what kind of organic traffic this is. By that, we mean if the traffic you're getting is quality traffic that will convert versus simple quantity, which can be a lot of people who take no action on your site. What search engines look for changes over time as Google and others change their ranking algorithms. In general, though, they look for a few things that never change. Have you heard of backlinks? Well, they're really a major pillar of what SEO is. Backlinks refers to any link that is pointing back at your site. Getting links from high quality and related websites can be tough, but absolutely worth it. Google counts this as a boost in your reputation. And the reverse is true too. If you never link anywhere, Google will assume you're not putting out content worth ranking. Additionally, a big part of SEO is site mapping and schema markup, and you can help Google navigate your site and learn how different pieces of your content is related to each other by linking to other articles on your own site. You don't want to overdo it, but if you have an article on swimming pool maintenance and an article on pool chlorine levels, they should link to each other with proper anchor text. Google will then understand your site a little bit better. Very briefly, domain authority and PageRank indicate the relative value of your domain to the search engine. It's how reliable you are and how insightful, relevant, and accurate your content is. The problem with this is that Google bases these values on the number of backlinks you have and from whom you have them. If you have lots of links from high DA websites, Google assumes you're a top-notch website and vice versa. Because you can't control who links to you, it's possible to disavow backlinks that you think might harm your online reputation. YouTube is the #2 search engine in the world. As of the most recent updates to the Google search algorithms, articles and websites that have embedded related videos rank higher than those without them. Being able to find the information in both text and video is a value add for everyone involved. Keywords are the other leg that SEO stands on, next to backlinks. Very simply, these are the terms people search for. It's what people type into Google. Keywords also play a big part in SEO via your URL and website name. So you'll probably want to have a URL that embodies either your brand name or the industry your business is in. You wouldn't want to have superswimmingpools.com if you're running an e-commerce store for cooking supplies. This also applies to the slugs you use for individual pages. While you might occasionally have an off-topic piece of content, you generally want to keep all the content you post relevant to the overall topic of your site. The URLs to posts, pages, and products in your store are major parts of SEO. You want to have the keyword in the slug. Google will assume that example.com/swimming-pool-liners is about swimming pool liners in some way because of that slug. And there you go. That was a very basic overview about SEO. Check out the blog post linked in the description for links to many more resources. If you enjoyed this video, then be sure to give it a like and subscribe for more content. With that said, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.